Eye of the Beast was part of a group of movies made specifically for the Sci-Fi Channel. This one has to do with a freshwater Architeuthis. If you know what that means, it means giant squid. And who's going to find this giant squid? Why, James Vanderbeek is going to find this. Yes, Dawson. Dawson brings all of his Dawsy goodness to find a freshwater Architeuthis. Ironically, when they show it, it looks more like an octopus and less like a squid. They actually do a pretty decent job when it comes to making you believe, is there a creature in the freshwater? Is there not a creature in the freshwater? When they show it, they use practical effects, predominantly, which is good. I'd rather see a poorly conceived practical effect than a poorly conceived CGI effect. And while you have that going on, you also have the woman who called him out. She has an Indian heritage, so people were like, well, she's saying it because if you impose laws, it affects commercial fishermen, but not the Indian fishermen because they have, tribal agreements and all that. So you do have bits and pieces of that going on while there may or may not be a freshwater Architeuthis. So, in the ways of the cheesy giant monster movies, this one actually is relatively decent.